Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. How are you? I hope you all are fine with your family. This is Kamrun assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, day shift. And today I am going to take your English language class. And our today's topic is lesson 14. That means have verbs. And we will know how to use has or have in a sentence. Okay. At first we will read these sentences. Ritu has a bicycle. The rabbit has long ears. The plants have flowers. Ritu and Mitu have a pup. Pup means the baby dog. I have a new pen. Now look at these first two sentences. Ritu has a bicycle. The rabbit has long ears. Now look, in these two sentences we are talking about only one person and one animal. That means when we are talking about only one person or one animal, we will use has. So we will use has. And now look, the next sentences. The plants have flowers. Ritu and Mitu have a pup. The plants, the plural words. That means we are talking about more than one plant. That's why we use have. Ritu and Mitu, that means there are more than one person. That's why we write have. But there is I have. Though I indicates only one person, but we use have after I. This is exceptional. So remember, when we are talking about only one person, we use has, and when we are talking about more than one person, we use have. So he has, she has, it has, and I is exceptional. That's why we write I have. We have, you have, they have. I repeat, he has, she has, it has, I have, we have, you have, they have. So when we use have and has when we are talking about only one person or one thing or one animal or one bird, we will use has. And when we are talking about more than one person, one thing or one animal, we will use have verb. Okay, now we will do the exercise. Exercise number 1. Circle the correct word to complete these sentences. So now we will choose the right word and we will complete these sentences. Let's read. Number 1. She has or have 3 books. So she, that means we are talking about only one person. So we will circle has. Now look, he has or have a red shirt. Now he, that means one person. So we will circle has. Now we has or have 2 pups. We, that means there are more than one person. So we will circle have. Number 4. The table has or have 4 legs. The table, that means only one table, that one thing. So we will circle has. Now I has or have many friends. Though I indicates one person, but it is exceptional. That's why we will circle have, because after I we always write or use have. So what are the sentences? Number 1, she has 3 books. Number 2, he has a red shirt. Number 3, we have 2 pups. Number 4, the table has 4 legs. Number 5, I have many friends. Now we will do exercise number 2. Complete these sentences with has or have. Now we will write have or has verb in these sentences. Now look at the first sentence. Radha dash a new dress. Radha, that means only one person. We are talking about Radha. So we will write has. Now number 2. Farzana dash a new bicycle. Farzana, that means only one person. So here will be also has. Now number 3, they dash a big dog. Now they, that means more than one person. So we are talking about more than one person. So what will you write here? Have. They have. Grandmother dash a pet rabbit. Grandmother. That means only one person. So we will write here has. Now Benny dash long hair. Benny is also one person. So we will write here has. Now number 6, Rohan and his brother dash 2 pets. Rohan and his brother, that means more than one person. So we will write here have. Number 7, I dash a cat. So we know that after I, we will write have. The trees dash many flowers and fruits. The trees, that means more than one tree. So we will write here have. So what are our sentences? Number 1, Radha has a new dress. Number 2, Farzana has a new bicycle. Number 3, they have a big dog. Number 4, grandmother has a pet rabbit. Number 5, Benny has long hair. Number 6, Rohan and his brother have 2 pets. Number 7, I have a cat. Number 8, the trees have many flowers and fruits. So we will use have when we are talking about only one person, one thing, one animal, one bird, and whatever is one, we will use has. And whenever we are talking about more than one of something, we will use have verb. So I hope you have understood our today's topic. And now look, there is a homework from this lesson, exercise 1. That means you will do this exercise in your HW copy, and you will submit your HW copy on every Sunday and collect those all your HW copy on next Sunday. And your city marks, SBM marks will be given on the basis of this HW copies. So that's all for today. Hope you have understood our today's topic, and if you have any confusion regarding this topic, you can contact me over phone or messenger, and my cell number is 01, it's given there. You can contact me over this number. So see you again. Allah Hafiz.